think we need to go with our videographer.
We're going live inside the action right now.
Where is it now?
I don't know. Goodness, it would have got... Okay, Rob, enough.
Okay, I can't get down right now.
I know.
I don't know!
Oh, it's alive.
I know.
Okay, I don't know that I have it.
I think you do.
Mom. Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, Katie, I'm sorry.
Can I stop recording now?
He's up on the tree now. Yeah, you should.